Jack, you're not supposed to floss with the blinds. You know that. Funny boy. Oh, but Mom, look, it's really great for rubbing my whiskers. It feels so good. I can bat it. Oh, I got it. It's escaping again. Oh, yeah. Exercise, yes. Oh, I'm ambidextrous. I can swat with both paws. Oh, put your right paw in. Put your right paw out. I wouldn't. Don't, Michael. Jack's practicing good hygiene. Okay, let him do it in peace. Okay, Jack, you can go back to flossing your teeth now. It's okay. Good boy. Good boy, Mike. You're being a good boy, too. Okay, I'll take him out, Jack. I know it's kind of frustrating when you're just getting into the groove of things, and now Mr. Groovy's here. Come on, Mike, let's go. Let's leave Jack alone. Come on. Oh, you two are so cute together. Okay, Mike, leave Jack. Come on, let's go. Good boy. Happy flossing, Jack.